Clenching and grinding often happen without patients even realizing it, especially at night. Over time, this can lead to worn down teeth, jaw soreness, and a lot of stress on your dental work. Identifying bite issues early helps prevent long-term damage. If you are experiencing jaw discomfort or tooth wear, schedule a consultation and let's take a closer look before it's too late.